Hello everyone. Today we've got the Swiss military portable timer charger for unboxing and review. This is a very useful device because normally when we charge our mobile phones we have a worry that if we charge them overnight we might kill the battery, we might deplete the battery. Therefore such a product is very useful. What is so special about this product is, first of all, it has got two USB ports which is 12 watt and 2.4 ampere each. It has got a timer. Yes, you heard me right. It's got a timer so that you can actually set for how long you need to charge your device, and therefore it protects your device from being overcharged. It has got a 90-degree folding pin. It is a 2-pin charger, and it has got a fixed timer. This is how the product looks like. There's only one charger inside the box. There is no cables, etc. You can use any normal USB cable that you might be using for your mobiles already. The MRP of this product is 1090. So basically this product is all about enhancing your mobiles or other devices battery and also about saving electricity. So let's open and see what the product is like and how it works. So the packaging is pretty simple. The box has just got this simple device. I'll get that device out of the poly bag, and there you go. So you see different timing modes, which is basically hours. So you can charge the device for 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 hours. These are the 6 options that you have here. This is the button which starts the timer, which changes the timer. Then you have the 2-pin plug, which is foldable for basically easy storage and traveling. Just take it out and you are ready to use. So these are the 2 USB ports at the bottom. You can charge 2 devices at the same time. Unfortunately, the timing that you set will be the same for both the devices. So let's quickly see how it really works. So now I've got my mobile phone, and I'll try and charge my mobile phone using this particular timer charger. So first of all, I'll be inserting the USB cable at the bottom into the USB plug. There, it is ready to use. Second, I'll take out the 2-pin plug like this. I'll insert this into the socket. So now we are ready to switch it on. As soon as I switch it on, please notice that there is no light which has switched on. It's still off and the phone has not started charging. What I need to do is press this power button here. The moment I press it, the light starts to move to different time settings. I can choose for how long I want to charge my mobile phone. Right now I have set it for 2 hours. As soon as I set it for 2 hours, my mobile starts charging, and exactly after 2 hours it will automatically switch off, thereby making sure that the battery on my mobile phone lasts longer, and I also save on electricity. Hope you liked the product review. The Best Buy link for this product is given in the description below. Please do like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.